When I came and did my interview for Carrington, they actually cared. They cared about my kids, they cared about my success, and they really wanted to help me, and I really liked that.
I chose Carrington College because it works around my work schedule and my family schedule.
I chose Carrington College because I love animals. I grew up with animals, and because they have a really nice program.
My favorite thing about Carrington College is the hands-on experience that we get in labs.
In lab, I have learned to properly use a microscope, and I've learned how to work a centrifuge, which is where we spin down the blood.
My favorite course was VAC 112 because we got to work on all the different labs that we will be performing in field. I like that my instructors are very caring and compassionate and understanding.
All of our classmates are very close. I will help my classmates and go above and beyond. I will study harder to be able to help explain to them what's going on.
I do feel that I am fully prepared to go right into the field.
For someone entering the program, I would advise them to stay calm and not stress out too much about the coursework, and just know that your instructors will help guide you through it.
It's really just possible. Everything's possible as long as you put your time to it.